round 2. Ready?
You know, I probably just realized.
There you go, pulling out.
Oh, okay, good. I was like, did this thing just brought it out, basically?
Almost. No, it's going.
Yeah. Things having a hard time these days.
Well, it's got
A big block?
yeah, big heavy 390 with a big C6.
Oh, shit.
A nasty, dirty C6.
Are we hitting the hood?
Touching, getting close.
Oh, I got room.
You gotta pull
do
out.
me a favor. Go by Valerie real quick.
All right, here we go. Trans is hooked up. You're actually dragging it on the stands. All right. Were you telling a story about all the crannies you ever did see?
Sure. I knew that was coming. As soon as I said it and you pulled out the camera. It's pretty nasty.
Nasty.
Like,
Sorry, Mark. That's your problem now.
poor guy.
Poor guy.
Hey, Mark, when I bring you my trans, I'll make sure I have it cleaned up. I'm not a jerk like him.
Hey.
Because I know mine's caked like that on the Plymouth.
Yeah.
It's caked. But you know, it's
But look, what's funny is look how clean the firewall is.
dude.
And
actually,
the frame's pretty clean.
I was gonna say everything else is pretty damn
Like,
clean.
this is disgusting.
Well, how the front door? Is it from the intake manifold gasket?
Probably the back of the manifold.
I was
Yeah.
gonna say because the valve cover. Well, first
There's
of all,
silicone bombed,
yeah, I was gonna say.
but that's another story. All right, well, it's out for the most part. We're just gonna get it down on the ground.
Set in spot for the weekend.
Yep. All right. Cool.
Hey, you know what's you can do with that? Does it kind of fold up? Oh, what'd you do with that thing? You put it in that